Hello guys, welcome back. I hope you all are fine. And in this video, I'm going to generate a QR code by using the Python language. If you already knew that what is QR code, then this section is not for you. You can easily skip if you want to get some valuable knowledge about the QR code. So this section is for you. So let's move on and know a little bit about the QR code. So what is a QR code? QR code stands for a quick response code, and QR code may look simple, but they are capable of storing lots of data. So irrespective of how much data they contain, when they are scanned, QR code allows the user to access the information instantly. That is why they are called as the quick response code. Now the question arises that what is encoded in QR code? So what we can encode in the QR code, or what kind of information we can encode in the QR code. So we can encode the contact details, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and WhatsApp IDs and lots more. We can encode the event details, YouTube links, product details, link directly to download an app on the Apple Store or the Google Play. And they are also being used in doing the digital transaction by simply scanning a QR code. So you can see that how important the QR code in our daily life is. So this list goes on. So now we should jump into our Python editor and let's learn how to generate a QR code by using the Python language. So this is an interesting mini project. So let's jump into our Python editor. Welcome back guys. We are in our Python editor and first we will install the QR code package. So let's click on this terminal and type here pip install QR code. There we go. So by typing this, we can easily install our QR code library. So you can see that our library is successfully installed. So now import the QR code, import QR code. And now I am initializing a variable known as image is equals to using the QR code class QR code dot make. Make is one of its method, and now I'm passing any text, any detail, whatever I want, like hey, I am a girl, this is smart programmer. Okay guys, now we are moving to our second and the final step. Yes, the final step, and which is we have to save our image by using image.save, and we have to give the name of our file. I'm giving here like smart.p. and we have to give the extension. I'm giving here jpg. So this is the extension of my image, and let's run this program and see our final output. So you can see over here the smart.p.jpg is appeared, and now let me show you in my project directory. So it is also appearing over here. So this is the project directory and this is the name of my file qrcode.py, and this is the name of my image smartp.jpg. So let's open it and see what kind of QR code is generated over here. So you can see that a beautiful QR code is generated. So you can generate more than one QR codes at a time. So let's jump back to our Python editor here. So now I'm going to copy this code and place it once more. And now I'm changing the name of my variable, which is image1, and here I'm giving any link like www.google.com. This is the link, and now I am changing the name of my file like Google, right? So now let's run it. So you can see that google.jpg is appeared over here, and it is also appeared in here. So let's open this. So you can clearly see the difference between the previous QR code and this QR code. This is the google.jpg and this is smartp.jpg. So it depends on the data, that what kind of data you're encoding in the QR code. So this is how we can generate a beautiful QR code, and I hope you like this project. So bye for now, take care.